You suspect you or your child might have a concussion, and you know it's important to see a concussion specialist right away. But how do you find one? Introducing the Concussion Specialist Finder Amazon Alexa skill. It allows you to find trained concussion care providers in your area with just a simple voice command. You can access it via an Alexa device or your smartphone. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to make sure you have the Amazon Alexa app downloaded. From there, you can search for Concussion Specialist Finder to find the skill and click Enable. You'll only have to do this once. Double check that your device location address is entered correctly in the Amazon app settings, and authorize the skill to access your address and phone number so it can identify the closest provider and text you the results. And now you're set to go. Let's try it out. You can access the skill at any time by saying, Alexa, open Concussion Specialist Finder.
Welcome to Concussion Specialist Finder. Say, start, to begin your search.
Start. Now, if there's a featured provider in your state, they'll be listed first, followed by providers that are closest to you.
Checking our database. You are in the same state as one of our featured providers, Head First, Davidsonville. You can hear more info about this provider by saying, More info, or say, Next, to hear providers that are closest to you.
More info.
Okay, the address of Head First, Davidsonville is 2772 Rutland Road. To get a text message with that info, say, Send me that info. To move to the next result, say, Next result.
Send me that info.
Okay, the info has been sent to your phone. Thanks for using Concussion Specialist Finder by Impact Applications.
Now, you have your local concussion specialist's info easily accessible via text. If you found this skill helpful, leave us a review in the Amazon app.